Hello, welcome to this ICT lesson. Today I want to show you how you can design a wonderful and attractive PowerPoint presentation by using some of the techniques you may not be aware of. First, I'm going to show you a folder here. You can see I have a couple of pictures which I'm going to use to show you the exercise. First, start PowerPoint. Just choose blank presentation. I will go ahead and remove these text boxes. I may not need them. So here you can see the slide has a white background. I can now go ahead and squeeze this pen to create a large working area on the slide. The first thing is to give this slide a background. I'm going to right click on the white slide and choose format background. Then here there are different types of backgrounds you can apply. The solid fill means a solid color. You just change color here. For example, if I choose yellow, the whole slide is covered with one color, like that. You can also use gradients here with handles. You can see here, if I move this handle, the shadings change. You can even put different colors. I can click this one and change this color to be maybe orange, and have this one, it could be maybe, let me just choose any color, and I can adjust them. The last one, let it be maybe greenish, and the other one, it can take any color. So if I move the handles, you can see I can adjust the shadings of the colors, and this is what we call a gradient background. The most popular one is this one of a picture, where I can use a picture to put it on the background. And finally, you can even use patterns, different patterns here. You can set them on the background. You can change the color of the patterns to whatever you want and be able to choose them. Now, what I want to use for this exercise is picture background. We also have texture. You can choose different textures here if you like, but specifically I want to use a picture. So I'm going to browse here, click File, and on the desktop I have a nice picture which I'm going to use for the background. I will add a title here, insert text box. You can write something like business studies, and change the appearance by first increasing the font. Just increase it to 200 pixels, 300 points, and click OK. If it is too big, you can reduce it to 150. Let me adjust this and give it maybe 120. Now I want to go ahead and design this title differently. This one I want to make it and give it the font. Can give it that font and color this. Come to format, under text fill I want to give it a certain good color. Let me go with yellow. Then under text outline I can give it a red or rather black outline. And I want to increase the size of the outline of the text. Under weight I can choose that 3 points. The other word I can give it a different font now. Under home I can look for Chilla font and give it a red color. So you can see I have designed my title using different styles, where I used text fill, text outline. I can select this and come to my format. Under text effects I can look for 3D or glow. Can let it glow. Let me see. You can make it glow. And this one I give it a different effects. Let me try shadow. Yes. Now you can see I have a great title for my presentation. The other thing I can do is to create a new blank slide. And one of the most famous techniques is to use a shape. You can use any shape, like this circular shape. And inside the shape I can fill it with a picture, work of line, maybe of a tiger. And now you can see here I can even have another shape of a star. And put something in it using shape fill, picture, and I can put my flowers inside the shape. I can always adjust the shape for the picture to appear attractively. The other thing you can do to your presentation is to let me do the new slides, and I can now bring in the picture here from my folder of the ocean. And here I can write some text on top of the picture using text box. Just write C and then select my text, give it 200 point size. And choose nice fat font like Cooper Black. I want to fill this text with the background picture. To do that, I just click the picture, press Ctrl key on the keyboard as I click the text. Then I will come to drawing tools, click format, merge shapes, and use intersect. Now you can see I have a nice title here. I can as well come to format, picture border, and give it a red border and change the weight. Okay, so you can see how I'm able to paint my text with the color, and I finally put a nice border to it. I can do another technique here. I can have my picture of probably desert, and in this desert picture I may want to write some text on it, like desert storm. I increase the size there maybe to 200. I will go ahead and make it bold, and choose any font. Any thick font will do. Now I will go ahead again and click this background picture, press Ctrl down, and click my text format. This time come to my merge shapes and choose fragments to cut out the text and have a nice background of that picture. Click on a blank area and remove this, then delete key to delete it. Try to delete parts of these letters. So finally you can see I have individual letters which I can arrange the way I want. It could be a title, Desert Storm. I will go ahead and bring my solid color here for the slide. And I can decorate them, all of them. Press Ctrl, click all of them, and for the border you give them maybe black border, and I can also do the weight, just increase it for the picture effects. Let me see if I have anything good. I think that one looks great, and finally you can see you have a very nice design. Go ahead, try this out, and see you next time. Bye bye.